Okay, we're back at the field again with Jet version 4. Had to make a couple of little modifications to it, change the angle of the rear vertical stabilizers, just increase the angle just a fraction, and a little bit more up trim required. Changed the battery in it and redid the CG, so now we're down to 620 grams flying weight, which is even better. So what we've got now is a bit of wind. I wasn't going to fly today, but I thought, nah, the wind's here, let's just give it a go. So I'm just going to try it out anyway. So here we are, Jet version 4, into the wind, let's see how we go. And she's away. Get around. It's fighting that wind alright. She's actually going alright with the wind. I think I may have nailed that trim. Well, this is good. She's handling the wind really well. She's working alright. She's a big wind too. Downwind, she's fast. Get it round. I'm going to do a low pass here. Okay, well it's working. I've got the right balance now. Bring it back again. Oh, she's getting thrown everywhere by the wind, but she's still pushing through it. Which proves me that it does fly well, even in bad conditions. Alright, well that's a good start for the day. Let's bring it in. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, almost tried to catch it. Great re-maiden.